Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix vertical and horizontal lines on an Android phone. Alright, let's begin. The most common reason for vertical or horizontal lines on your Android screen is hardware damage. This could be due to moisture, physical impact, or overheating of internal components. In such cases, visiting a service center may be the only solution. But before that, you should rule out any software-related issues. Start by booting your phone into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the volume down and power buttons. When the power menu appears, press and hold the Power Off option. Then select Safe Mode. If the lines disappear in safe mode, the issue may be caused by a third-party app or software glitch. In that case, try resetting your phone. Back up important data first. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap General. Then scroll down again and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Erase All Data. Tap to confirm. Once the reset is complete, your device should be back to normal. So that's basically how you can fix vertical and horizontal lines on an Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.